Yeah, what's up, guys? Yeah, I'm still using a stupid automatic car wash. I was gonna cancel my subscription, but you know what? My Wrangler's kind of scratched up anyway. It's no mall crawler, so it's cheap, 20 bucks a month. As long as everything works, I'll keep my subscription. The stingers are working good this time. The undercarriage looked like it worked alright. The right side tire brushes didn't come in, but that's alright. I don't really care about that. But check this out at the end. Oh, trailer come undone. Pintle came off. What the hell is it with this car wash? Oh shit. Thank God for safety chains, huh?
Oh, you ain't kidding, bro.
Well, at least you didn't hit the highway. Oh, we something. That's right. Well, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Click that little bell too if you want notifications of all the new videos. And it looks like Santa might be bringing me something in his UPS sleigh. So stay tuned for that in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.